Right, this have all been finished now, painted, and I missed a bit. I've used the compressor and the air gun on it. So I got aerosol spray as well, which I can finish it off and do parts where I've missed. I put the bolts in for the petrol tank, which I'm still waiting for. I've had a new sender unit, so that can go in as soon as I get it. Right. I'm going to try and get this snap nut out of here. I've forgotten all about it. So I've got a bit of copper pipe, I think it's micro bore, and I'm going to put that around there, like that. And hopefully I'm going to weld inside. I welded on the nut, hopefully. I've got to build that up now, so I can weld another nut on top of it. And the heat that's around here will hopefully loosen it. Right, we've welded it on. We've had to cool down a bit, and we'll see if that nut will come off. Or come out. Okay. I welded these small nuts to the bolt that's in there, and they kept snapping. So I don't know whether they were too warm. So anyway, I welded a bigger nut now on the top, and I've left it overnight. So with a bit of luck, this is going to hopefully come out. There we are. Pause then. Still tight. Oh, let's come out. There we are then, and there it is. I used the copper pipe on this because the bolt was lower than the chassis. But if it was protruding, what you could do is weld a washer to it, and then weld a bolt to the washer, and it should come out.